What's up guys, my name is Raul and welcome back to imOUTtraveling. Today we're talking about GoPro accessories and your jet ski. Oh dude, this guy got me. I'm gonna get you. Alright, so we're talking about the top 7 favorite accessories for the GoPro. Most of these accessories are compatible with all the GoPros with the exception of one, which is the GoPro Floaty. This guy wets me again, I'm gonna get him. Bro! Alright, so let's get on with this. Starting out with the number 1 accessory, my favorite accessory, the GoPro Handlebar Mount right here. It took me a while to find it, but I finally found the right one. My second favorite accessory, GoPro suction mount. That suction mount doesn't go anywhere. Third one is going to be the Floaty. Fourth is going to be the chest mount. Fifth is going to be the Headstrap mount. Sixth is going to be the 3M mounts, which I have back here in the bottom for a different point of view. And the last one is this one right here, which I'm using, the selfie stick. This is a Spivo Stick, which pretty much gives you the trigger button, and boom, just like that, you can trigger it either direction. So those are my top 7 favorite accessories. Let's put them to the test to see how they look. All right, as you can see, we have the handlebar mount, and what we can do here is we can turn it around, whichever direction you want, tilt it down and up, and that way you can just have it at the setting you want. So as it is right now, I'm gonna keep it here. Nice point of view there, and let's see how it looks on the GoPro. Alright, so here we are. We have the GoPro and the Floaty device mounted on. There's Julian. You better not wet me. Alright, so now we're going to strap this onto this and then see how it looks. So there we go. We got the GoPro strapped on. Alright, so I have the chest mount now strapped on with the Floaty because I'm not taking any chances. I have my friends over there, so I'm going to catch up to them and I want to see how the video looks on the chest mount, and this guy better not wet me. Oh, I'm gonna get him. You know what? I'm gonna get him right now. He forgets my jet ski's quicker than his. Alright, so that was pretty much us riding with our chest mount. And I'm not sure how the footage was because I kept on moving up and down. Now I'm gonna do the head strap. So I have the head mount strapped on. I couldn't put the Floaty on, it just didn't let me. I'll explain why later on. It was a little bit of a pain and a little bit of a letdown, to be honest with you. But now let's go finish up the ride because it's about to get dark and I don't want to be stuck out here. So let's see the view from the head strap. Let's talk about the settings for your GoPro. Right now I'm shooting at 4K for the best resolution possible, but that limits me to 60 frames per second. If you're trying to do something really ultra smooth, then you're gonna have to drop down to 2.7K or 1080. That way you can get 120 frames per second. Right now I'm also shooting at wide mode. We have narrow, which I'll show you the different modes. We have narrow, linear, wide, and super view. Narrow, because this is an action, sport right now. GoPro, you don't want it to be too narrow. You want something wide, but not too wide, that way it doesn't give you that fisheye look. So I'm sticking with the wide mode. 4K, 60 frames per second, and wide mode. So now, let's test it out and see how the different modes look. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps up my top 7 favorite accessories for the GoPro and your jet ski. Hopefully this video was helpful. Do me a favor, hit that penguin, hit like, and ring that bell to stay up to date with all our videos. Thanks again for watching. Now I'm about to get this guy because he keeps on wetting me. See you guys on the next one.